Let me show you how to make an easy, moist coffee cake using whipped cream instead of butter or oil. It is such a simple recipe, and the coffee cake comes out soft and moist every time. To make this easy, moist coffee cake, start by pouring 3/4 of a cup of cold, heavy cream, also called whipping cream, into a large mixing bowl. Then, use an electric mixer and beat the cream on medium speed for about 1 minute. Then, gradually start adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar, which is about 160 grams while you continue mixing. Add a little at a time so the cream stays smooth and thickens evenly. While I am mixing this, please hit the like button if you enjoy simple baking recipes, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any of my other baking videos. Next, crack 3 eggs into a separate bowl, add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whisk them just enough to break up the eggs and mix everything together. Then, add the egg mixture to the whipped cream and use the electric mixer on low speed to mix everything together until it looks quite well combined. Next, take a sieve and sift in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, which is 190 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder on top. Sifting gets rid of the little clumps in the flour and helps everything mix in more easily, so the cake turns out nice and soft. Once all the flour is in, use the electric mixer to give the batter another mix. Use a spatula to run it around the edges and the bottom of the bowl because flour often sticks there. This helps you make sure there are no dry spots and the batter looks smooth and even. Next, take another bowl and scoop out about 1/3 of the batter. Then, in a separate bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of hot water to dissolve it. Stir until the coffee melts into the water and let it cool a bit before adding it to the cake batter. Pour this coffee mixture into the smaller portion of batter that you set aside earlier and mix until the color looks even. Next, take a 9x5-inch loaf pan that is covered with parchment paper. Make sure the parchment paper sticks out a little on the sides. It just makes it easier to lift the cake out later. I usually press the paper into the corners with my hands, so it sits a bit better. Scoop some of the plain batter into the bottom of the pan, but leave enough in the bowl for the top layer. You just want a nice base for the cake. Then add some of the coffee batter on top. Do not worry about making perfect layers. I am only trying to get a little swirl of coffee in the middle, and you will see how it looks in a minute when the cake comes out of the oven. I also like to sprinkle a little instant coffee in the middle layer for extra coffee flavor. After that, scoop in the rest of the plain batter and spread it out with a spatula so it covers the coffee layer. Then, scoop the rest of the coffee batter on top. Bake the coffee cake in a preheated oven at 347 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Your whole kitchen will smell absolutely amazing while it bakes. And the cake usually gets a little crack on top when it is ready, as you can see here. This coffee cake is soft and moist, and you can taste the coffee in every bite. The flavor is gentle, not bitter, and the whipped cream keeps the cake light. And look how nice the swirls came out. They show up in every slice and make the cake look really good. You can eat it on its own, or with a glass of milk, or even with hot chocolate if you want something a little richer. If you like this coffee loaf cake, then you should also check out my other coffee cake recipe with whipped cream here. It is a no-bake cake, and it turns out super creamy. It is super quick to make, and I think you will want to see how simple this coffee cake recipe really is.